A very happy Republic Day to all our viewers on NDTV network. We are coming to you from the Khanapara field in Guwahati, where the central celebrations of Republic Day in Assam is going to take place, and likewise in all the other 7 northeastern states. Massive celebrations have been planned for Republic Day amid tight security. You can see here people right from the morning are queuing up outside the celebrations. People are coming with their children. In fact, participation of young minds, particularly children's and also elderly people, is something to take a note about. In fact, a massive security arrangement has been put in place here outside the main venue of the Republic Day celebrations. You can see here the security personnel are actually checking everyone who are coming in. There is a multi-layered security which has been put in place here, and likewise in the state capital across Northeast, similar celebrations have been planned all along the borders in Northeast, be it the Bangladesh border or the porous border with Myanmar or the Indochina border. Security has been beefed up. In fact, counter-insurgency operations have been launched prior to Republic Day in different parts of Northeast. In fact, some of the proscribed banned militant groups have called for boycott of Republic Day, but at ground zero there is no impact. You can see people are going there inside the Republic Day celebrations. There are multiple layers of security though put in place. So this just goes to show that how people in Northeast are part of this national celebrations. In fact, several people from Northeast have been conferred with the Padma Awards. There are several awardees from the different police forces in the state. You can see a lot of people right in the morning. They have come in large numbers. If I can ask my camera person to pan this young girl, she has come. What's your name?
Manasiza Madiha.
You have come to see the Republic Day celebrations?
Yes.
Yeah. So I would like to talk to you. When it comes to Republic Day, people are coming out in large number. There is a massive security in place.
Yes.
But several years back, scenes were different. Situation has really improved.
Yes, it very much improved. Like now, everything is like technology is increasing. Everything is like developing in India. Yes.
And all across, not only Assam, all across Northeast India, there is also more involvement in Republic Day of common people.
Yes, there is more involvement. Everyone is like involved to jobs now. Like there's very minimal underemployment. Like everyone is now employed in
So
India.
there you are, this gentleman really flagging off an important issue, the fact that there is sustained peace in Northeast, and with that employment and development has poured in, and that kind of reflects in the participation of people in Republic Day celebrations all across Northeast. With camera person Nakul Rabha in Guwahati, Ratnadeep Chaudhary for NDTV.